Hi, welcome to the Bosch Coaching Services. I am Daphnee Lagredelle. I'm the owner of Sandra Financial Services. I am a business coach and I'm here to help you with your online business. Whenever you go on Instagram, you see people keep on saying, "Hey, click on the link in my bio." So you can get in contact with them, but a lot of you don't know exactly what is that link and how to get that link. So today I'm here to teach you how to start your Instagram page and also how to get the link in your bio. You can do that different ways. So today we're going to use Linktree. And with Linktree, you will be able to start and you will be able to get that link and add it on your Instagram page. So come on with me and let's start right now. Welcome back. So this is my Instagram page, and if you go to my Instagram page, you will see the amount of people that are following me, and you will see here, which is the link in my bio. So how do you get this link? Let me teach you how to do that. You will go to Google. Okay, so you just go to Google or whatever provider you have, but I use Google a lot. So you will go to Google and you type Linktree. So when you type Linktree, okay, you will just go to Linktree and you click on the Linktree page and you click on get started for free. So I already have an account, so I'll just log in into my account. All right, so I can teach you guys better how to do this. Then I will add my name and my password. Then when I will log in into Linktree. So with Linktree, there is two types. There is a pro where you can pay, and I think it's about $60 for the whole year, or you can pay monthly $6 every month to have the pro, where you can have different things. You can have customized. Let me show you guys. You can have customized thumbnails and all and so forth. So how do you get that? So what you need to do is you come here, you will set up your Linktree. On the side you can see you set it up. There's the links, appearance settings, analytic. You can see people who comes in, so you can see how many people who view, how many people who click, how many people. You can see everything. So how do you add the link? Let's say you go ahead and add link. And let's say if we adding your website on Linktree, right? So you can just say visit my website, or you can call it however you want. All right, and then you're going to click on your website. You go to your website. All right, like I'm going to my website, and then when I click on my website, right, so I will go into my website. I will click on the copy. Okay, and I will come back to Linktree and I will click here on link and I will paste it here. All right, so when you paste it, you make sure that little button is green. All right, and right here to the side you can put visit my website. Now if you want to add a thumbnail, what you need to do is click here. You can add, and you click set thumbnail. You can upload your own image if you want to do that, or you can do it from your Instagram page or your Facebook page, right? So let's just click on my Instagram page. I connect my Instagram with Linktree and I press continue. So if this one is giving me a little issue, you can just like click anything. Let me just click this. Okay, I can select that picture and click save, upload. All right, and then kaboom, it's over here. Now Linktree already give you that that link. Okay, you can just copy this link right here, and that's when you go into your Instagram, you click on your edit profile and you add that link. Now if you click on my link on Instagram, you will see visit my website. It's right here. You can put as much as you want, so you can have it here. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe so I can help you start your business and make sure that you're well prepared in 2021 to become the next millionaire. If you want to work with me, you want to learn how to do your online business, I'll be more than happy to help you. You can go into my website, which is, or click on follow me on Instagram so I can help you better. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Ciao.